lunchbox needed for that cat either, I don't think.
Perfect situation.
All right. Well, good food doesn't have to cost a fortune as long as you know where to shop.
That is where our Smart Shopper team comes in. They get the ads early so they can help you find the best deals as soon as they're valid. Angie Canley has some of the best deals that you'll find this week.
Bashas' has their Christmas toys, stuffed animals, and decor on sale 30% off. Plus, get more than half off blackberries and pineapples, pay just 88 cents each. At Fry's, get a buy one get two free deal on Foster Farms boneless or thin sliced chicken breasts. They also have Honeycrisp apples on sale for 97 cents per pound. Safeway has that same sale on their Honeycrisp apples that gives you extra cash for dessert. Safeway has all sorts of sweets on sale for $1.99 each, everything from Dreyer's ice cream to Hostess novelties and Sara Lee oven fresh pies. But you have to buy 4 to get that deal. And speaking of dessert, save $1 at Albertsons on Bluebell ice cream. You'll pay $3.99. And lots of digital offers this week, including $1 off their 2-liter Coke, Pepsi, and 7-Up products. That means your price is 49 cents each. And at Food City, $1 will get you 4 cucumbers, cilantro, green onions, and radishes. You can also get 3 green bell peppers for 99 cents. There are so many more grocery deals this week, and we have them all at abc15.com/smartshopper.